Welcome to Zukkun Knows. When you hear AI, you probably think of ChatGPT, but here's what most people don't know. There's a war happening behind the scenes, not over who's building the best AI, but over how AI should be built. Open source versus closed source, transparency versus control, freedom versus safety. This fight could decide the future of AI and who gets to use it. 1. What is open and closed AI? Open AI models share their code, architecture, and often their training data. Closed models don't. Open equals anyone can inspect, copy, or build on top of it. Closed equals locked behind APIs, protected, licensed. It's not just tech, it's a philosophy. 2. The case for closed models are easier to control. You can filter harmful outputs, keep proprietary data safe, guarantee consistent behavior. Companies like OpenAI, GPT, Anthropic, Claude, and Google Gemini prefer this route. Why? Because when you're responsible for what your AI says, you want control. 3. The case for open models are flexible, adaptable, and community-driven. They enable rapid innovation, they're cheaper to run, and they can be audited. Meta's LLM, Mistral, and even open variants of GPT-like models are exploding in popularity. Some say it's the only way to make AI truly democratic. 4th, why open scares people. Anyone can fine-tune open models. Anyone can misuse them. They can be optimized for scams, surveillance, or worse. With closed AI, blame is centralized. With open AI, who takes the fall? 5. Why closed scares? Closed models are black boxes. We don't know what data they were trained on, or what biases they hide, or what they do with our data. Worse, some are starting to look like monopolies. If a few companies control all the best AI, what happens to the rest of us? 6. The explosion of open models. In 2023 to 2025, open models got good. Llama 3, Mistral 7B, and others now match or exceed GPT-3 level performance, and they run on a laptop. This matters because it puts AI into the hands of developers, schools, startups, even activists. Open isn't just cheaper, it's available. 7. Why GPT stays closed. OpenAI used to be open, then it got good, then it got valuable. GPT size, alignment, and infrastructure are hard to replicate. And with Microsoft backing it, they have no reason to unlock the gates, because closed wins in the short term. It's safer, cleaner, profitable. 8. Is open just free GPT? OpenAI isn't about copying GPT. It's about building alternatives with different goals, data, and users. Some open models are being trained on local languages, disability-friendly datasets, even non-Western philosophies. OpenAI equals AI that reflects more than just Silicon Valley's values. 9. Will they coexist? Probably. We'll have secure AI for medicine, finance, defense, and open AI for research, education, and creativity. But tension will always exist, because openness and control don't like sharing the same room. 10. Why this debate matters. This isn't just about code. It's about who gets to decide what AI is. The company, the government, the user. Open is messy because no one's in charge. It's flexible but unpredictable. Great for innovation, terrible for accountability. Closed is rigid because one company holds the keys. It's controlled but centralized. Safe maybe, but also uncomfortably powerful. But in that space between, the future is being written. Subscribe, because the next part of the story might not be open at all. Thanks for watching Zukkun Knows.